You've been working on a client presentation for 2 weeks, but while you were building it, your admins updated some of the slides, and you had no idea. With Validator, that problem is solved. Your admins apply Validator to specific slides. They can make them editable or lock them entirely. Locked slides have a visible border and can't be edited. A few weeks later, you open the file again, and a pop-up appears. Your admins have updated some slides since you last worked on it. You click Update and Validator takes care of the rest. For your editable slides, Validator doesn't overwrite your work. Instead, the latest version is placed right after your slide, so you can compare both and decide which one to keep. Locked slides are a different story. Those are automatically replaced with the latest version. No action needed, no decisions to make. Compliance handled. That's Validator. Your admins keep critical content up to date. You stay in control of your own work, and every presentation is always up to date.